An electric pole fell at Gulf Junction today, damaging a Bolero pickup truck. The incident occurred around 1:30 p.m. when the pole struck the vehicle with registration number ML10B6914. The truck's driver, Sri Ryangstan Nongkenri, explained that he had parked the vehicle and stepped out for a short while. Upon returning and preparing to leave, the electric pole unexpectedly collapsed onto the truck, and Nongkenri called on the relevant authorities to improve the maintenance of such electric poles, stressing that while vehicles can be repaired, the potential for serious injury or death in such accidents poses greater risk to public safety. Fortunately, no injuries were reported in this incident, although the vehicle sustained partial damage.
Kumni kan jaga kes ada bayap te kumno kai to yaga kali te gila kai makin pensiona tangba yo buri par kinna shomo man pensiona rau yap kai nga sem jugi kan ya chu kumno pa kala bu kala julor bon ngatrai bila yo i kala julor bon kadu pus ulah ha ba kali te kala julor bon nalor ba so ngamde ka kali jonga hi kadi ka kali dula te ngap kumta kai utrai te long be nga ngapit kli manga te mentra tengah orang be ya kai masbi ba ba ka sobha ka di man ne ya ka kali ba ben long be ya ka kali jonga pangan yo pangan bela.